maintaining a healthy and well-balanced diet is crucial for promoting overall health and strengthening the immune system. A diverse diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins such as fish, nuts, and legumes is essential for providing the body with the necessary nutrients and antioxidants to fend off illnesses. It is equally important to limit the consumption of added sugars, saturated fats, and sodium to protect against chronic diseases. Moreover, avoiding smoking and moderating alcohol intake can further bolster the body's defenses against infections and diseases. By consciously making nutritious food choices and adopting healthy lifestyle habits, individuals can significantly enhance their well-being and immune function, leading to a stronger and more resilient immune system.